Hi guys, so this is my first session of Katalon Studio. So in this session we will cover how we can register and download Katalon Studio from its website, and I will give you an overview of what exactly Katalon offers and how we can use it for mobile web and web API automation. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing you need to do is you need to migrate to this Katalon Studio website. In here, it's a pretty looking website we have, and in here we have this login button. So once you go into this login button, you have to register yourself. So click on this sign up, and you can register with your full name, email ID, and give a password and do a sign up. Like it says, Katalon is completely free. You can download it exe file and start with your web, mobile, and API automation immediately. It's not chargeable. There are a few features which is chargeable by Katalon, but again, that is upon you to use them if you want. We will go through them in our upcoming sessions. Okay, so I already have an account registered, so I will just sign in into this account. Now once you sign in, you will get this, you can click on this download now option. Okay, now once you click on this download now, it will redirect you to different versions of operating systems you have. Okay, I already downloaded the latest version. So Katalon comes up with multiple versions or bug fixes, you can say, if there are any. So you can always, it's recommended you will download the latest version of Katalon. We can always download an older version from here. It has all the older versions with the details what it does. Okay, so I already had downloaded the latest version in my system. So once you click on this Katalon Studio exe, which we received after unzipping the Katalon Studio latest version, it will open up this particular screen for you, and it will give a Katalon Studio activation. Now use the same email ID which you use to register it, and click on this activate. So it will activate and give you this welcome Katalon Studio page, where it also gives you an opportunity to open a project or create a new project. So for now we will just close it. Then it will give you this pop-up, thank you for activating Katalon Studio. You can just select your, we'll do learn automation testing, then we'll do explore Katalon Studio now. Okay, so this is the welcome page of Katalon. That is Katalon help, where you can get tutorials here. Once you click on it, it will navigate you to different tutorials. Okay, we have some sample trainings available in here, where you can just browse through them and go through how we can do it. Okay, sample projects are already also available, which we can go through. Okay, now we will close this Katalon help. Now this is the home screen. It doesn't give you anything. Okay, there are built-in keywords which is available in here, which you can check. There are built-in, these are the built-in keywords for web. For, you can always have custom keywords as well. These are for the mobile keywords. This is for cucumber, that is already integrated for BDD. We have web service keywords for API testing. Okay, now the next thing which we need to do is we need to create a project. Okay, so what we can do is we can go to this new project, new option in file, and create a new project. Now this will give you an option to create either a web API, web service, mobile, or generic project. Okay, so for now we will create a web project. say test project web repository URL. If you have access to any repositories you want to use, you can give that URL as well. How we can integrate it with Git, we will go through in our upcoming sessions. Okay, choose your location and click on OK. Now it will create a project for you. Now similarly we can use mobile API to create a web mobile or API projects. You just need to select the concerned radio buttons. Okay. Now once that is done, you will get these options in here already. Okay, so we have profiles which we can use for to execute the same code in different environments. We have a test case folder where we can create our scripts. We have object repository folder where we add our object repositories, XPaths, all those things to identify the web objects. We have test suite where we can add those test cases and run it in the test suite. We have data files where we can migrate, we can add Excel files or data files, so that we can use those data as a parameter in our test case. We have inbuilt keyword options where we can write our own keywords if we need any. Okay, so these are the fundamental framework which Katalon already offers. There are different other options of test ops where it offers Katalon Analytics, where it is a analytical framework it offers, which also we will go through in our next sessions. And also there are different integration modules which Katalon offers. Okay, so the next thing is the creation of a test case, creation of a web object, and how we can pass on data from one variable to another into our test cases. So that we will cover in our next session. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next session.